okay. In order to get through here, you gotta walk through the water. And I gotta tell you guys, it's a great feeling to put your feet in the water. It really is. See how much water is here? There's probably gators right here, right next to where I'm at. Probably underneath the water there. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Can't get anything like this anywhere else, really. You know. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, it rained a lot, so there's a lot of water here. Lots of water. And you gotta be careful because sometimes, you know, snakes come out when there's lots of water. They like to swim around in it. Oh, there we go. All right, we're almost where Ada hangs out. See if she's here.